Ladies and gentlemen, this is Keith from iRepairAutos. Today I'm going to show you how to weather seal that compartment under the driver's seat in your Mercedes, typically found in the ML 350 SUVs and a couple of the other GLs, etc. What happens, there are some bushings, three rubber plugs to be exact, that gets over time basically they harden, they shrink, they crack, letting in moisture. This moisture then moves inside the cavity and attacks the amplifier for your sound system that's in there, causing the amplifier to die. So I'm going to show you how to quickly seal these plugs. I'm not going to show you how to replace them unless you really want the part number. Send me a text below with the VIN. I'm just going to show you how to use sealant to seal these. So let's get started. Don't forget, new video every Monday, and like, share, subscribe. Let's go. Okay, going in through the rear passenger door on the driver's side, we're gonna move the driver's seat forward as far as possible, at which point we're going to remove the mat. And in previous videos where I showed you how to get at the amplifier, I already showed you how to cut and open this. Video showing you how to get in to this area is at the top right of the screen, rather than going through the seat. Right there, giving us a little bit more access to the underneath. Peel this back, and this plastic cover right here, we're going to start off by taking off this vent, get the vent out of there. So let's see what kind of water damage gets in the bad gasket. These bushings right here, 2 bushings. There is a total of 3 bushings that need to be sealed. So I had some sealant laying around the house from a bathroom fixture job that I did. So I'm going to use this to seal up those weathered and cracked bushings. Otherwise, water is going to come back in and damage the other amp. Don't want that. So looking back inside at those 3 plugs, I'm going to put weather sealant on and around and everywhere concerning these plugs to make sure that no moisture can get in. And I'll have to. So I've gone ahead and sealed the 3 bushings. The 2 bushings on the right, and 1 over here, 3 of them. As always, everyone, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you find these videos helpful. Thanks and peace out.